In this video, we're continuing on with our vocal catch-all exercise of mirening. The miren helps you keep your voice consistent as you explore different parts of your range and presentation of your voice. Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Nicole Gress. I'm a speech pathologist, a gender voice teacher, and the founder of the Undead Voice Lab. I help trans, non-binary, and gender questioning individuals find more vocal freedom so they can choose the gender expression of their voice. You are watching day 6 of the 12 days of gender voice, where every day I share a new video designed to help you explore the gender expression of your voice and keep your voice warm for the holidays. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, I would go back and take a look at how we built the siren, the sound that we're going to use today as we migrate into the miren. So we use the miren as the bridge between finding a tone that you like in your voice and actually speaking. Let's use the siren from yesterday and find our tone. Remember, if you're looking to brighten or raise the voice, you'll use sing, gliding up to a tone that you enjoy, sing, and if you're looking to darken or lower it, you're going to use sung to go down to a tone that you enjoy. Sung. Once you've done that a few times and it feels stable, we're going to practice keeping that tone while speaking. Remember that stank face from a few videos back? I want you to do the flare of the nostrils to help find more consistency and power in the tone as we move to the miren. So flare the nostrils and give me either sing or sung. Now here's the trick. You have to keep the while you say words. So let's practice just doing the days of the week. Keep everything in the position. So either using sing or sung, give me sing, so everything stays in that position. All the air is actually leaking out of your nose. Nothing is coming out of your mouth because the tongue is sealed to the roof of the mouth, blocking all of the air from entering the oral cavity. If you don't know if you're doing it right, just use the nose check. Hold out your pinch the nose, and if the sound disappears, you got it. Sing, like that. Let's try again. Sung, try to keep the consistency of the position and just move the tip of your tongue and your lips to make the words. What you don't want to hear is Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, where it slips out and becomes inconsistent. Once you feel like you can consistently do that, then you're going to trade on and off. You're going to do one word in the miren and then the next one speaking normally, seeing if you can keep the same sense of ease and consistent tone throughout. So, sing Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or sung Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. As you switch back and forth, try and keep the tone in the same place without falling out. Okay, so how do we use this technique in gender voice work? Well, there's a few different ways. In the Undead Voice Lab, we expand upon mirening greatly and use it as a bridge between each change that we make and exercise we do to alter the size and shape of the structures of your actual vocal tract into your speaking voice. If you're ready to dig deeper and you want to come along for that ride, check out undeadvoice.com. If you're still on the fence, you can use mirening as a technique at home when you're vocally tired or feel gunky in the morning, or you just need to reset and find some clarity in your voice. So, comment your questions below if you have them. I'll see you tomorrow for day 7 of the 12 days of gender voice.